Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the Traders One series. I am Mr. Success Obona, your host on this Traders journey. Guys, if you're just watching my videos for the very first time, right, and you've been struggling with the market has just been it's been some crazy experience for you, and you really are looking out for that channel where you get to actually trade the market and from a better perspective, have a behind the scenes story of the market on your palm. So to guide you on what and how to take up the market to make profit. And this is the channel for you guys. This is the channel where you get to watch me show you just what opportunities the market brings for you week in and week. So guys, sure to subscribe this channel, turn on notification, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment because I'm sure by the end of this video there'll be so much value for you to take up, right? And also a big shout out to the forex and the crypto mastery students, right? These are my mentees that I've worked with and I'm still working with a lot of them, right, to become financially free through trading the market, right, to help them make a living, right, help them make a living trading this market. And if you really want to be a part of my community, you want to join my set or my group of mentees, right, the link is down below from the description section where you get to send me a WhatsApp message or an email, or you can just go directly on seller.co to get my courses, right, and my books. Of course, get my courses, get my books, and also get yourself sign up for my mentorship program, which for just $200, right? It's a 3 months program, right? The cost itself is $100, and my time, just the 3 months time I've been spending with you, where I get to coach you, get you through the course, is another $100, which makes it $200. $200 actually for everything, right? You need to become a complete trader. So it's this cheap. I know I made it this cheap. Soon I'm gonna be taking the price really up because myself and my team are trying to see how to restructure to do a lot of restructuring to the works we've been doing in this space. So a lot that will affect the cost of the price of the course. That will also affect the nature of our program and training, right? So you would want to do well to get it ASAP before all before the many changes are being effected, right? Also, by God's grace, physical my office, right, my office and our learning center will soon be ready, right? It will soon be ready for those of you in Lagos, those of you in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, those of you in Abuja, right, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, those of you in the UK, those of you in Germany, those of you in the US watching this video, we're having our physical facilities in your different zones and areas, right? Soon, sooner than you think. We're having a physical facilities in your area. So, guys, a lot of works are ongoing to ensure that, right, to ensure that happens, right? Again, guys, to the market proper, so what opportunities are there for you to trade? What's the market saying? What is the market doing? Where's the money for us to come back, right? Where's money for us to come back? Right, okay, fine. Before I share but talk about the market today, I just want to share a little testimony, right, from one of my students. Actually a lady precisely who actually learns to trade, willing to trade I think one of the I think first or second batch that she signed up with, that was somewhere around early 2022, right? She signed up for the training, and she showed me a building project she's been able to complete because due to trading, because she's able to trade. This was somebody I know at the time she came to learn how to trade. She was really, really messed up financially. She could barely feed. Right, this was as at early 2022. I knew how a lot of helps I had to put in place, time I had to make out for her to help her get the knowledge that she needs. And today, she's able to complete a building, right? Building project she initiated, and also currently you can for someone to be able to finish up complete a building, build a house, she know that that person is now doing well for themselves trading this market, right? So again, this is just one among the many testimonies I've been able to record amongst my students, and I want you to be next. So if you really want to be the next person to share this kind of testimony, use the link below from the description section. Ensure you sign up for the program, get trained, get the knowledge, get the education, right, and hit your dream goals and get and see your dreams come true. Right, I'll just tell a lot of persons that if you are if you no matter how harsh the economy is on you, right, top out of this, the market is always there to come to the rescue for you. The financial market is always there to come to the rescue. All you need to do is to know what to do, know how to do it, and do the execution. Execute your knowledge, and you'll be good to go. Right. So, guys, to the business of the day, the XYY. So, what's the opportunity for us in this new week? What is the opportunity for us in this new week? What's the opportunity for us in this new week? So this is the extra from the weekly time frame. You can tell that this guy dude ain't playing, right? Dude ain't playing with nobody, right? Dude ain't playing with nobody. So you can see that the quality price is on a very important zone. Sorry guys, I'm saying the wrong tool. So quality price is on an important zone level. You can say important level, important zone at the moment. I've broken this and ah. Personal, okay, let me just leave this. Let me leave this. See, and no break here. No breaking here. The way I use my Fibonacci tool, it's from a it looks simple, but my usage of it is a little very advanced, right? And this is something I only share with the Forex Master students, right? On the I think module 4 of the Forex Master course, where I talked about the Fibonacci tool extensively. I talked about it extensively. So if you really want to understand how to use some of these technical tools, some of these technical tools, the course is there for you to use, right? So now from here we can see that price has entered this area, right? Price has rallied itself and taken itself into this zone. Let me go to the daily time frame, right? Into this zone. And from anytime we enter this zone, this zone is always a consolidation zone, right? So anytime price enters anytime the XY enters this area you can see it's an area of consolidation which if it are not able to break above it, definitely it will usher us into the new into the usher the XY into uh, a reversal where it dumps into a reversal where the XY will dump, and once the XY starts dumping, it is now good. The market starts pumping, guys. Right, when the XY starts dumping, the market starts pumping. Right, so that will be good for the market when this guy starts dumping. But now it's looking like okay, it's just moving sideways. So the thing is, throughout last week, I was on the market. Right, I think the only trade I was on was the AUD I told you guys last week. Right, the AUD trade I took, and actually I closed my position. But that way, so currently I'm not on any trade in the market. I'm just watching and observing what the market is doing, because look at what the market is doing at this area. It's just moving sideways, right? Price is just moving sideways. Let me show you something. So this like more like our channel. You can see we call it this tip to this area, and you can see the struggle, the many dojis or spinning tops showing you that the market is not clear. The market is just full of indecisions. Let me remove this line. I'm just showing you the indecisions in the market. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame to see what is going on clearly, this one is going on clearly, guys. Clearly what is going on. So you can see the market is just on a range. So for me, the forex master is know what I like to do. I would just prefer to cage this dude here. So I don't want to be a part of all this drama that is going on. So if it breaks above, fine. We'll continue, we'll flow. If it breaks below, then we are ready to look out for how to check and deal with the market. So for now, I advise to just keep the market like this, locked up in this cage. So whatever happens, until there's a breakout of this cage, do not do anything. I know it is difficult for you to obey this instruction, not to do anything. but it is what is best for you, and this is what is best for your account. Do not do anything until there is a break out of this cage, right? Until there is a break out of this cage on the XY, right? Until there is a break out of this cage on the XY. So just keep watching. If you break below, fine. If you break above, fine. So right now it's just a 50-50% thing, right? It's just a 50-50% thing, but breaking above or breaking uh below, it's just 50-50% right now. So you don't want to just sit, you just want to it's best you just sit back, relax, and let the market come to you. Let it show you, let it commit to a direction and show you, okay, that this is where I'm going to. Then you say okay, oh, and you enter. So don't try to assume or predict the move. Traders, we don't predict, we just follow the market. Right? We don't try to predict the market. Right? We just flow with it. Right? The only thing we know is that when enterprise is inside this area, inside this zone, this area, this area like this, when the price center enters this area, there's always that tendency that we have a lot of sellers around here that want to push price downwards. So you want to be careful, right? You want to be careful. A lot of you guys want to be careful to see how price come out of this cage, whether it breaks above this green bar or breaks below after this green bar, and we know that okay, the XY is ready to drop or to dump. That is my advice to you. Right, that's my advice to you. So, JPY basket. The next is JPY basket. These guys have anything serious for us? Yeah, this guy looks like he's dumping, guys. He's dumping hard. Dude, this guy is dumping hard. He's dumping hard. You can see. Remember, guys, this guy is dropping hard, right? JPY basket is dropping hard. It's dropping. Let's call it from the daily time frame. So this dropping hard means that the bottom market will be bullish, right? This guy dropping hard, dropping hard, dropping hard. Right, so that means JPYPS should be, I expect them to be bullish, right? But okay, let me not talk about that. Let me not say that right now. So this is Euro USD, my favorite guy that I like to trade. At the moment, I don't have any position in the market. So this is it. This is this guy. This is it. This is it. This is Euro USD from the weekly time frame. You can see what is going on. Right, market is just in this range, inside this range, but currently we so let me take all this out. All right, let me go to the daily time frame and show you something. You can see just like we had the XY, which is like the direct opposite of Euro USD. I see that this guy is also on a range. There's no clear, so it's just sitting pretty inside this cage. So you want to wait. You would want to wait for it to break in above or below for you to take the market out. So right now it's not clear on where the market wants to head to. There's no clear direction on where the market wants to head to. Price is just moving sideways. So hopefully from Tuesday, or maybe that we might be having a news event that will that will help the market price to break out. Right? Let me even see if we have any major news events coming up that will possibly facilitate any of the breakout we are looking for. But we need those breakouts to happen. We really need them to. Really need the breakouts to happen so that we can get those moves that will help us pack some money from the markets. Pack some money from the market. To pack some money from the market. So let me just check my news. I use investing.com a lot of times. I like using investing.com to check the news. Right, to check the news. Let me just check this week. So for this week, we have what do you have on today? Monday. There's nothing for the market on Monday. Tomorrow, from tomorrow Tuesday, we have only news around pounds. Uh, we have new home sales on tomorrow, which is Tuesday. On Wednesday, what do we have? I'm looking for a major news that can give us Wednesday nothing. Thursday, do we have anything on Thursday? Thursday too, nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, there's something on initial. Okay, Thursday there is initial jobless claim, but that's a high volatility news. Thursday. Well, on Friday, what do we have? Nothing, nothing. If I don't have you. So just have only two important news: initial jobless claim and home sales. Home sales on Tuesday. Was it Tuesday? But Wednesday. Let me check that news again, sir. Home sales. Don't mind me, guys. Home sales. Home sales. Home sales. Where is our home sales? Okay. Okay. Sorry. I say home sales. Building permits. Building permits on tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Then on Thursday we have pending home sales. Okay. On Thursday we have home sales. Then building permit. Everything about around the home. Right. These are all your real estate news data. Right. That also affect um, the US economy because if more people need to have money to be able to afford houses. So if people are beginning to buy houses, it means that okay, there is more money. A lot of persons are holding money, or a lot of, there's a lot of money going in circulation, which is good, right? Which is good. So guys, so this is for me. I want to see any of those news if it can make my usher us into a breakout above or below. If it's above, then it means that our the reversal from the downside is about to happen. But if it's below, I think price might just come down to dump to this area, this base. Price might just come and dump to this area before the rally. But either ways, I would prefer to catch the rally, guys. Personally, I prefer to catch the rally to the upside. But so let's see GBP USD. Dude has been crazy dumping, right? Crazy dumping. It has been falling. On the daily time frame, you can see even introduced my Fibonacci tool, right? 61.8%, washed down to almost 79% before it's looking as if there's a rejection, but I don't see anything that is stopping this guy from coming down to this base. Nothing, guys. Nothing is stopping you, KPUSA from at least getting down to this base. This base, it's not. I don't see anything that is stopping it from getting down to this base here. So it's from this base we can now start deciding where GPUSD will be going from. So it's from this base that's where I want to look out for any opportunity on GPUSD to buy. Right? But anything around there, just look for possible more selling opportunities. Can But I think there'll be a lot of pullbacks and dramas that personally I wouldn't want to be involved in. Like we're having it right now. Right. So this is not a reversal. Some people want to be buying all this. This is not how to trade the market. Let me go back to the so personally I'm looking at to short AU GBP USD. This is GBP USD guys, sorry. So I'm looking at to short GBP USD down to this area. That's what I'll be looking at to do. Right. That's what I'm looking at to do to short GBP USD down, just down to this base. Then from this base, if we break below this base, then finally then I know that we are going to it's paradise. We're on our way to paradise. To Lambo. We're on our way to Lambo. I think that's one count to get to. Right, on our way to Lambo to this area. If we get here and I say there, I will also be looking at opportunities to reverse the market from here. but that's a very strong monthly support zone that I don't want to joke with, guys. I want to joke that. Hey. So look at this ADUSD, ADUSD. I've been trading this shit for so long. Well, I've been trading this shit for so long. So let's look at ADUSD properly. Forgive my screen that it's guarding. So this is the ADUSD that's been bearish since God knows when. This dude has been bearish. Dude has been down bearish, right? Very, very bearish. But again, that's been difficult to contain. This bearish, but go and enter the trade now. That's been very crazy to contain. So this is ADUSD from the weekly time frame, showing you that okay, oh fine, well, even if you are bearish, but where do you want to come in to the party? All right, where do you want to come into the party? So this ADUSD, okay, this was sideways movement we had, and we broke through this important support zone. Now price is currently doing this, and I really want to believe that is currently playing this range. Although price is currently playing the range, I still want to believe that price is going to drop from here. But let's see what happens. So don't be in a hurry to just put your sell. Wait to see your confirmations, right? I know some of you are just looking at this as a double bottom. You want to ride the long, you want to keep going up. But our structure is still showing us bearish. Guys, it's showing us bearish. So I want to be careful, right? I want to be careful. So if there's anything, if I will buy, I'll buy above this zone. I ain't joking with this zone, guys. I'm going to be buying above this zone. So for me to buy, these guys will come and clear here, come back down to this place and give me the opportunity to ride it. If not, I'm not interested. I'm not interested in whatever it's doing here. Any Barakata AUDUS is doing here. I'm not interested because it can be a trap. A sweet, nice trap the market is setting for you. Alright, so guys, the next one is USD shelf. Right, this one interesting pair. This is one interesting pair. You can see how price just has been sideways for days. For days and weeks, it has been sideways. Without this sidewaysness entered there and started another sideways movement above this sideways. Price came down to test this level before shooting back up. So you want to check maybe a short too. So this is it. Let's see USD card. I was actually expecting Dindu to come down to this green bar for me to short from here, but it missed my entry. So no hard feelings on the USD card, no hard feelings. Even though it missed my entry, there's no feelings. So market is looking nicely set up. Looking like it's setting up really nicely. But again, I won't want to watch anything. I would want to observe the market, right? I would want to observe the market to see what really is going on. But what really is going on with the market, I want to observe, be more attentive to observe the market. So the next one is USD JPY, right? USD JPY. So you can see this dude, what this dude is doing. I'm not on any trade that looks like this. I'm not on any trade that looks like that. But this guy is strongly bullish, but I also record it for my channel at the moment. So let's look at it from the 4-hour time frame to see what is going on. Let's see. But AD, you guys, USD JPY. Let's see what is saying. What is going on? What's going on? I teach the last week when I looked at it last week. There's something like this. And it seems like this guy is breaking to the upside. Fine. No, fine. But I'm really scared of this guy. I'm really scared of the dude. So I'm really always very careful anytime I trade that pair. So this is okay. USD JPY setting up nicely for us. So this is the trend. This is the trend. This is the trend. So might be betting about around this trend. Let me see. Oosh, that's pulled up really bad. That's really pulled up really bad. Oosh, I miss this move. Let me just see if there's a possibility of a little pullback down. And I would want to take the opportunity. I didn't really see this. I didn't see this. I didn't see this. I'm just seeing this right now, guys. I'm just seeing this move right now. So I would want to be patient enough. To be patient. I believe in giving the market the second chance. So I think there'll be another push to the downside, a little low to give me a more discounted level to buy and to take up the buy by this channel. So you can see the first touch, entire this third touch. This I'm always scared of this fourth touch. This fourth, this is the more than the fifth time. So I would want to wait care to observe well to see what is going on. Maybe from tomorrow, Tuesday, I would maybe I might be looking out to take a buy position on GBP JPY, and because of this, I maybe to take it up to this point, and I'll be good to go, right? So the next I'm looking at is gold. Is gold. Now gold has been golding, right? Gold has been golding, so we have a strong bearish candle from the right. It's very strong bearish candle that's almost closed. Oh, we're trying to almost close a 2 weeks run of the market. So this is gold, right? But if we are still inside this cage, so I want to be careful, even if I know the sellers are strongly pushing price downwards. But I want to be careful. I want to be careful around this. I want to be careful to see what happens around this. So if it breaks below here, it means that this guy is really serious about dumping gold. So but I want to see what will happen, right? Maybe some bullish candle will start coming in from Tuesday. Tomorrow being Tuesday, some bullish candle will start coming in to push price to continue the uptrend. But this looking really bad. It's looking like it's supposed to look like a BTC chart. I will show you. Don't worry, I will show you that. Gold behaving like BTC. So try to take a picture of this so that when I get to BTC, you understand what I'm talking about. So this is gold from the 4-hour time frame, and it's looking really fine for those who are buying, who have been holding on their longs for a while. All right, let me see oil. Is there anything new to see? Is there anything new to see on oil? Oil. Nothing new. Nothing new. You can say just price playing around this base here. Playing with around this base. Let's just play around this base. So let's see a couple of okay. Might see some bullish run on oil. I see some bullish run on oil soon. Some bullish runs on oil soon. So my see oil going back to $80 or $90 per barrel. So the next dude on my list, is nothing last but nothing but nothing but the list. That's how you guys put it in English. The list but nothing but the last again, and last but nothing but the list. So this is this is the weekly time frame, and this is BTC. I know a lot of places have been calling for the fall of BTC, which I don't see happening. Right, so BTC are just informing higher highs, higher low, higher lows until BTC breaks below this zone here. We ain't going to no down. Right, I think BTC just wants to. It's just gathering momentum to shoot the sky. build this scattering momentum to take it to over 100k, which might be difficult for a lot of people to take, which means that the market would also take off from there. From the daily time frame, you can see why I told you that BTC, a gold is trying to look acts like BTC. So you can go back to that to check out that picture of gold you snapped and look at BTC charts. Kind of similar, right? So you can see that BTC for a few days now has been building up. Only we are trading around 65 to 66,000, right? 65 99 something, almost less approximately 66k. BTC is currently trading around 66k. So it might build up to this green bar. If it breaks it, then we are going, market will be going gagas from there. Right? The rallying will just be going and going and right, it just be going and going and going. Right, to when it's, I think I made a write up around that, and I think I'll be shooting a video. Person and info to I think what I will do is I will create another YouTube channel. I've said this before. Another YouTube channel where I share all my insights on the crypto space. So a lot of things I'm saying here, I can't say so much because of time. I need to save you time because I need you guys to watch this video and start implementing that sharp. So this might not be a place for me to go in depth, right? To go in depth on what I need to say around the crypto space. So this is not the space for that. Right, I'll be doing that with you guys on that new channel, which I'll be communicating to you guys by next week by God's grace. Right, I'll be dropping the link on the description section for you guys to go there to see my perspective and my views on the crypto space. Right. So BTC, I'm still very much bullish on BTC. Right, this was a sideways movement that will take price up, and this was a sideways movement that will take price up around BTC. Right. So guys, if you're not buying, if you're not longing, if you've not gotten my bull run spreadsheets, right, you're missing a lot, right? Bitcoin halving has happened already, and few weeks and few months from now, 1 year from now, BTC would never be the same again. The value of BTC would never be the same. So some altcoins might be so impossible for you to be able to catch. So get that bull run spreadsheet. Help yourself to position. Get that book because listen, there's a mistake a lot of you guys make is that you just go into the market space, start guessing on which coin to buy or not. But this one shows I've done all the research, even if you get the real deal in the market that you put your money to get the 5x, the 10x, the 15x, the 20x you need, right? You want to see on your portfolio. This is where on the Google spreadsheet gives you that offer, gives you that opportunity. So please don't play with it. Don't play with it. So guys, this is my time. Again, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please ensure to do so. Touch that subscribe button. Leave me the like. Leave me a comment. Share with me what you think about the market. What view you want to implement for this new week. And also very importantly, guys, ensure you grab the Forex Master Program, grab the Crypto Master Program, come learn the real deal, come learn how to do this thing like a boss, right? Again, it's my time. I'll be seeing you guys next week with more infos, more content as usual. So spread the link, spread the news, share this video to everyone you need to share with. Let them get this knowledge, let them know what to do in the markets, and not say no to blue win accounts. We need to campaign for on blowing accounts. Say no to blowing accounts henceforth.